Bertrand Russell, in his famous book, The Conquest of Happiness, he says there are always two approaches in life. One is optimism and the other is pessimism. In simple word, one is constructiveness and the other is destructiveness. And what are the result of these two aspects of life? Number one, if you are positive, I start with the destructive one first. If you are talking about the destructive word, let us suppose we are sitting in this beautiful area. And if we demolish it with a bomb, there will be total chaos. The initial result is very beautiful, but the final result is everlasting pessimism. But the constructive work, if we want to make this building, the initial stage will be disorder: water, dirt, iron, wood, steel, bricks. But the end will be everlasting happiness. So the result of optimism, constructiveness, is ultimate happiness. And the best example in the word of optimism is the greatest personality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I will just quote one journey of Taif, and that was the drastic event when he was physically tortured. His body was full of blood, his shoes was full of blood, and he was not able to take even a single step. And the offer was given to him. All the angels came and not going to the history. He refused. Allah will help me. If they don't become Muslims, their generations will become Muslim. He was so optimistic in his life. And secondly, when the Quraysh requested him to deny all these things, and he said to his uncle Abu Talib, "Uncle, if they place sun on my right hand and if they place moon on my left hand and they request me to stop, I'll never." Initial stage was in disorder, but the final stage, you know very well, when he dressed his last on his camel in Makkah, and there were more than 100,000 and 24,000 Muslims. They were only Sahabas, and the rest of the condition you know very well. And this is the final result of the optimistic approach, constructive approach in life. इकबाल says कि तंदीर मुखालिफ से न घबराया कार, ये तो चलती है तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. In other words, he says, उठ के बज़्म जहां का और ही अंदाज है, मशरिक़ व मग़रिब में तेरे दौर का आगाज है.